Hi everyone, I'm Councillor David Jones, Deputy Leader of the Council, and I'm stepping in for Brent this week to give you some updates. As you may have seen, there's been an emergency road closure here on Toyn Hill. Unfortunately, the roof of Zion Chapel is very close to collapsing and has become a safety risk, so this closure is essential to keep you all safe. Whilst the building isn't council-owned, it's become dangerous to the public, so we've had to step in and carry out emergency works on behalf of the owner in order to secure the site and make the area safe. We don't know how long the closure will be for, but we'll keep you updated with the progress. You can visit our website and social media pages for the latest information. We've had a couple of periods of unprecedented hot weather recently, and that looks set to continue into the weekend. It's great to enjoy the sunshine, but a reminder to please stay cool, stay hydrated and stay safe. Whilst we can be tempted by outdoor swimming in this heat, entering large bodies of water can be dangerous. The weather might be warm, but the water is not, and cold water shock can kill. Please only swim in authorised locations, and always remember, float to live. Visit the RNLI website for information, and please share it with your loved ones. It could save lives. That's all from me. Have a great weekend. Diolch yn fawr i chi.